Shwmai, and welcome to Welsh with Woe. I'm Woe Addams, and in this week's episode, I'm going to teach you all about Welsh numbers.
Gwerth tri rhifau.
Shwmai, Griff.
Oh, shwmai, Miss Addams. Should I tea?
Iawn, diolch. How are you?
Oh, not good.
Why? What's wrong?
Well, I'm trying to balance the books for the show, and I can't make heads or tail of it.
Why not?
Well, the main problem is, I don't know any of the numbers.
Well, that's lucky. I was just about to teach everybody how to count in Welsh.
Oh, perfect! Well, let me just get rid of all this. Okay, ready.
Great. Now I'm going to teach you how to count all the way to 99. But let's maybe start with 1 to 10.
Okay, yes.
So repeat after me. Un,
Un,
dau,
dau,
tri,
tri,
pedwar,
pedwar,
pump,
pump,
chwech.
chwech.
Now that's got some interesting sounds in it that we've learned together before.
It does. CH in Welsh is a ch.
It is! And we've got 2 of those in this word. So we've got one at the start and one at the end. And then a little we in the middle. Chwech.
Chwech.
Saith.
Saith.
Wyth.
Wyth.
Now.
Now.
Dig.
Dig.
You counted to 10.
Okay, well, let's do 11.
Okay. Everything from 11 onwards follows this structure. You have the number of tens, the word 10, and the number of single digits. So that would make 11, un, dig, un.
And 12 would be un, dig, dau.
Un, dig, tri.
Un, dig, pedwar.
Fantastic. So what would that make 74?
74 would be saith, dig, pedwar.
Great, now that you've got that down, why don't we try and count all the way to 99?
Yeah, okay, let's try. Ready?
Un,
Un,
dau,
tri, pedwar, pump, chwech, saith, wyth, naw,
dig, un, dig, un. Chwech, dig, naw.
Nice.
Saith, dig, saith. Now dig saith, now dig wyth, now dig naw.
Oh, that was brilliant, Miss Woe. But what about 100?
Can't.
Oh, sorry, I just got excited for a second.
No, that's Welsh for 100.
Oh, okay, yeah. 100. Can't.
And following the same structure we've just used, you would still apply the number of tens, the word 10, and the single digits. Now you just put 100 before it. So 111 would be cant, un, dig, un.
Oh, so 211 would be dig, count, un, dig, un.
So with this structure, you can count all the way from 1 to 999.
Let's do it.
No, let's not.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And there you have it. Now with the accounting, you are going to have to learn some bigger numbers, like 1,000. So once you get to 999, you can go to 1,000, which is meal.
Dau mil, tri mil, pedwar mil, pump mil, deg mil, pumtheg mil, ugain mil,
Meal? Million? Oh, well, I guess that was a bit much. I'll see you next week, everybody. I'm just going to go and take care of Griff. Come on, Griff. Hwyl fawr.
Oh, Miss Woe, it was so big I couldn't handle it. If you're enjoying Welsh with Woe, make sure to like and subscribe. Look, down there. That's where it all is.